In this video I'm going to show you how to play the game R.E.P.O on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses. And nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to play this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. The first step is to open your Google browser, and after that I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, go to the search bar, and now we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and after that search for the game R.E.P.O. Once you have done that, it will pop up in this list and you will select it. Now select the game and after that scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this game is on Steam €9.75. But don't worry, we got a little workaround for that. What you need to do is go to the link in the description and it will redirect you to this site, and there we are going to search for the same game. As you can see, this game is available at this website. What you need to do is select the games on the left side, then sort by price lowest first. So once you have found one and the text is marked green, then it can be activated in your country. So select the game, and after that you will see that this game is just €6.49 instead of €9.75. And that is how you save yourself a couple of euros or dollars on downloading games, installing them and playing them online. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!